everyone, welcome back to the Autocar Mods. Meet the 2025 Lamborghini Revuelto, the brand's first V12 plug-in hybrid supercar. At first glance, it's unmistakably Lamborghini. But look closer, every surface, every vent, every edge serves a purpose. The front end is dominated by the now signature Y-shaped DRLs and gaping air intakes to cool the hybrid system, and brakes. The entire body is a work of active aerodynamics. From the splitters to the side skirts to the massive adaptive rear wing, the Revuelto produces 33% more downforce than the Aventador SVJ. And with 74% more efficiency in cooling and air channeling, this isn't just design, it's aerodynamic engineering disguised as art. Back, twin hexagonal exhausts blast upward like jet nozzles, flanked by sculpted LED taillights and an exposed rear suspension. The entire rear is a statement: brutal, futuristic, unapologetic. Inside, Lamborghini calls this cockpit aerospace-inspired, and it shows. You sit low, wrapped in a mix of Alcantara carbon fiber and digital displays. The steering wheel is pure fighter jet drive. Mode selectors, launch control, and performance toggles all at your thumbs. 3 high-def screens dominate the cabin. A 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster for the driver, a central 8.4-inch infotainment touchscreen, and a unique 9.1-inch passenger display, so your co-pilot can keep an eye on speed, performance data, or even the media. Of course, you get Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice commands, and over-the-air updates. But this isn't some sanitized tech box, it's still a Lamborghini. Under the hood, or rather, behind your head, is where the magic really happens. A brand new 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12, now paired with 3 electric motors combined. This beast produces a jaw-dropping 1001 horsepower. 2 e-motors up front power each front wheel, enabling torque vectoring, while a third motor is integrated into the 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, another first for Lambo. 0 to 60? Just 2.5 seconds top speed? Over 217 miles per hour. This is no eco-warrior, it's a hybrid built to hunt Ferraris and McLarens. But straight-line speed is just the beginning. Thanks to an all-new carbon fiber monocoque, the Revuelto is lighter, stiffer, and more agile than the Aventador. The front motors allow real-time torque vectoring, making cornering surgical. Add in rear-wheel steering, active suspension, and 4 drive modes: recharge, hybrid, performance, and Corsa, and you've got a car that transforms depending on how brave you are. It's not just fast, it's smart. Each corner, each throttle input, each braking zone is enhanced by electric intelligence. The Revuelto isn't fighting the hybrid era, it's weaponizing it. The plug-in hybrid system allows city driving with 0 emissions, while regenerative braking helps recharge the battery. It's not an EV, but it's definitely a step in that direction. Of course, none of this comes cheap. The base price for the 2025 Lamborghini Revuelto? Around $604,000 before options, and with customization from Lamborghini's ad personam program, expect most builds to reach $700,000 or more. In the end, the 2025 Lamborghini Revuelto isn't just another hybrid supercar. It's proof that performance, heritage, and innovation can coexist. It keeps the soul of Lamborghini alive: the sound, the speed, the spectacle, while adapting to a changing world. This is not a compromise. It's a comeback, with electricity, fury, and 4 wheels of madness. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the future of Lamborghini, hit that like button, subscribe for more supercar reviews, and drop your dream Revuelto spec in the comments below.